southwest McLean County, central Illinois, and we're looking at a new crop called Pennycress, and this is Pennycress. We have a small patch of it here, about 5 acres, which is a very small part of our operation. We tried to put in a little trial out here, and we're looking at, this is a future crop, a future oilseed crop that we might use for biofuel production down the road here to help meet some of our energy needs in this country. The unique thing about Pennycress is, well, from a farmer's perspective, it's a weed, which is something we've always had in our fields and we try to kill to grow our other corn and soybeans. So that's new for us, a new concept. So we're really not introducing anything new here. We just found a new use for it. So now we're trying to plant this stuff and grow it. And the unique thing about it is a winter annual weed, which means that we plant it in the fall after we harvest corn and soybeans. It grows through the winter, and then we harvest it in the spring, about the same time we're planting corn and soybeans, so that we can put a regular soybean crop following it now. So it's not going to compete for food production and those other issues. So Pennycress, there's a winter annual weed. You can see this is the crop. All these little pods on here have little seeds in them. If I pull one of these pods off, it pops right open. Sort of on the ground, it pops right open, and you see a bunch of little bitty seeds inside of it. And there's just thousands of these seeds on a given one plant. There's about a dozen little seeds in every one of these pods, and each one of those seeds has twice as much oil in it than a soybean plant, the same amount of soybeans would have. So it's about 36% oil. We would crush that, get the oil out of it, and like I said, right now our main use for it is going to be to turn that into biodiesel that we could use for fuel for trucks and tractors. And that's our plans for the future. So a company in Peoria, actually this product came out of the USDA lab in Peoria. We have a commercial company that's picked it up and looking at commercial viability of producing it, and they contacted growers like myself to try it. There's a group of us called the Ag Guild of Illinois that are local around here, and we're looking at maybe trying to get other farmers to grow it, and we're looking at how to grow it, how to make it a more viable crop, and in the future hopefully we'll get it up to something where it'll be a nice complement to what